Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to crochet a blanket. Complete details about the project are available at interuni.com/crochetablanketpattern. On this webpage you may share pictures of your work and ask questions if any. To crochet a blanket, make a foundation chain of 117 chains or multiples of 6 chains plus 9 additional chains. I do not count one chain. First row, insert the hook into the first chain from your hook and work double crochet 1. Then into the following chain work 1 more double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, work 5 double crochets. After the 5 double crochets, repeat the pattern starting from chain 1, skip 1. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet 5 to end of the row. At the end of the row, when you have just 4 chains left, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet 3. At the end of the row, work 1 returning chain. Second row, insert the hook into the second chain from your hook and work single crochet 3. Then chain 1, skip 1, single crochet 5. After single crochet 5, repeat the pattern starting from chain 1, skip 1. Again, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet 5, and so on. At the end of the second row, after last single crochet 5, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet 3. And 2 returning chains. Third row, insert the hook into the first chain from your hook and work double crochet 1. Then work 1 more double crochet into the following chain. Then work the repeat chain 1, skip 1, work unfinished double crochet. Under the middle double crochet of the first row, work unfinished triple crochet. And then draw the yarn through all 3 loops on your hook. Work 3 double crochets. And then work as a mirror reflection. Unfinished triple crochet under the same middle double crochet of the first row. And then unfinished double crochet and finish it. Then repeat the pattern starting from chain 1, skip 1. Again, chain 1, skip 1, unfinished double crochet. unfinished triple crochet under the middle double crochet of the first row, then pull the yarn through 3 loops on your hook. Three double crochets, unfinished triple crochet, and unfinished double crochet. Draw the yarn through all 3 loops on your hook. At the end of the third row, work chain 1, skip 1, double crochet 3, and 1 returning chain. Now repeat the pattern starting from the second row. So work your row 4 as your second row, row 5 as your third row, and so on. Row 4. Insert the hook into the second chain from your hook. Work 3 single crochets. Then chain 1, skip 1, 5 single crochets, and so on. Again, work your row 5 as your third row. After 2 double crochets, chain 1, skip 1, then work unfinished double crochet, then under the middle double crochet, unfinished triple crochet. Draw the yarn through all 3 loops on your hook, double crochet 3, then unfinished triple crochet, unfinished double crochet, and finish it. Work your last row as your second row, then single crochet all around, and then cut the yarn and secure it. Attach a different color yarn, chain 1 to pick up the height, skip 2 chains, then work unfinished triple crochet, then work half double crochet above this unfinished triple crochet. So after unfinished half double crochet, pull the yarn through all 4 loops on your hook. Two chains and repeat. Again, work unfinished triple crochet, then unfinished half double crochet above this stitch, and then draw the yarn through all 4 loops on your hook. Repeat one more time, 2 chains, and then chain 1, skip 2, work 1 slip stitch. And just work the same shell again. Chain 1, skip 2, work unfinished triple crochet, and so on. Lastly, work reverse single crochet. After you finish the reverse single crochet round, the blanket is ready, and thank you for watching.